If you want to learn my personal trading strategy on how I trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. And if you're seeing this on TikTok, my ebook is available for purchase in my IG bio. And moving on, right? So what stocks am I looking out for tomorrow, or more specifically for this week? I'm looking out for Alibaba, NVO, TMO, AZN, LIN, Abbott Labs, ABBV, Johnson & Johnson, ASML, Merck, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, ExxonMobil, AMD, Chevron, and UNH. Those are the 16 stocks that I'm personally looking out for tomorrow or for this week. And so going over the first stock, right? So basically Alibaba is below the 20-day moving average right now, but right now it looks like it's literally on top of the 9-day moving average. So if Alibaba can use the 9-day moving average as support, we could see a possible bounce from Alibaba. NVO looks like it tried breaking the 50-day moving average and it got rejected by it. So as soon as NVO breaks above the 50-day moving average, we can see further uptrend. TMO, basically it is above the 9 and 20-day moving average, and basically from here, it needs to break the 50-day moving average so it can see further uptrend. And then AZN is above the 9-day moving average currently, and it looks like it's been riding the 9-day moving average ever since November 22nd. And so basically the next step for AZN that needs to happen is it needs to break above the 50-day moving average so they can see further uptrend. Lin right now is at this decent support level of, I guess you could say, around 445 through 446. And so basically Lin is trying his best to not break that support level. And basically looking on the daily chart, you can see that there's like a head and shoulders pattern. Right here is the first shoulder. I should say an inverse head and shoulders. Usually an inverse head and shoulders pattern means it's a bullish indicator for that stock for it to go up eventually. And so basically right here is the first shoulder. This is the head right here. And then right here is the second shoulder forming. And so basically, possibly Lin could, reverse to the upside soon. And so it looks like on the weekly chart, it's doing all right. It hasn't broken the 50-day moving average at all. It basically is trying its best to not break that 50-day moving average. And then let's see. ABT, basically ABT is around this support level around 114 through 115. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, so anywhere from 114 through 115 is the support level for ABT right now. And so basically if it can use that support level to bounce off and go up even further, that's a good sign for ABT. ABBV, let's see. So right now it looks like it's below all of the moving averages. It tried breaking above the 20-day moving average and they got rejected by it. But it looks like it finished on the weekly chart above the 50-day moving average. So if ABBV can maintain itself above the 50-day moving average, then ABBV could see possible uptrend in the upcoming days. And then Johnson & Johnson right now, Johnson & Johnson is basically, I want to say it's at this like decent support level around 149. So anywhere from 147 through 149 is the current support level that Johnson & Johnson is at right now. So if it can maintain that current support level, then we could see a possible bounce from Johnson & Johnson. But on the daily chart, it is below all of the moving averages. So this is also like a bearish indicator that Johnson & Johnson could see further downtrend in a way. So as long as Johnson & Johnson can maintain itself around that support level of 147 through 149, then Johnson & Johnson should be good. ASML is having trouble breaking that 50-day moving average, and on the weekly chart it's looking like it's having the same problem. Merck is ever since, I want to say, November 21st, Merck has been riding the 9-day moving average ever since, but it looks like it's having, I don't even want to say it's having trouble, but we have to see on Monday and see what happens with Merck and see if Merck can break that 50-day moving average, because so far it hasn't gotten rejected by it. But it looks like on the weekly chart it did get rejected by the 9-day moving average. So maybe Merck could break the 50-day moving average on the daily chart eventually, and then Merck could possibly break the 9-day moving average on the weekly chart. We'll have to see. Coca-Cola, it looks like right now it's below all of the moving averages on the daily chart. So it looks like we could see further downtrend from Coca-Cola, but yeah, because on the weekly chart it's below the 50-day moving average right now. So maybe possibly Coca-Cola could see further downtrend. Pepsi right now, Pepsi is below all of the moving averages. This is a play I'm currently in. It is down almost $900 or $1,000. And right now it looks like Pepsi on the weekly chart is below the 200-day moving average. We'll have to see if it will eventually reclaim that 200-day moving average. If it does, then we could see further uptrend from Pepsi. ExxonMobil, basically right now ExxonMobil is around this support level around 113. Yeah, I want to say around 113. So if ExxonMobil can maintain that small support level around 113, then ExxonMobil should be good. And then AMD is currently below all of the moving averages. On the weekly chart, it is below the 9, 20, and 50-day moving average, but there is a strong support level around I want to say through 132 through 136. So if AMD can maintain around that support level, then AMD should be good for now. And then Chevron, it looks like Chevron is below the 9 and 20-day moving average on the daily chart. And on the weekly chart, it looks like it landed slightly on the 9-day moving average. So this could be a possible indicator that Chevron could use that 9-day moving average as support and bounce off of it. And then last but not least, we have UNH. UNH is down tremendously, and right now it's like at this decent support level around, I want to say 549. So anywhere from 543 through 549 is the current support level for UNH. So if UNH can maintain itself at that support level, then we could see a possible bounce from UNH. And I think that's pretty much it, really. And I'm going to show you guys the position right now. The Pepsi call option trade is down $985 with 50 cents. And so that's pretty much it. If you guys want to learn how to trade options and learn my personal trading strategy on how I trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. And if you're seeing this on TikTok, my ebook is available in my IG bio. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys do well trading, this week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, this is not financial advice, so I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.